I think this building, when it's complete, will fit fantastically into the existing historic surrounding in Queen Square. It's a Grade 2 listed building set in a Grade 1 landscape in a conservation area. So the choice of materials, the choice of construction techniques, all had to be sympathetic to the landscape that's already been there for hundreds of years prior to us building this new building. We selected Metsec's products on this build because they're a well-known company, and when we met with them in the early stages, we expressed our desire to do this in a 3D model using the BIM technology that's available to us. And we were very pleased that Metsec were able to offer a 3D model in service. So our ambition to model everything first and then do the drawing second gave us huge benefits.
I think the main challenges in implementing BIM are people and software. I think people, it's all about changing the psychology and demystifying BIM and showing people what the benefits are with BIM rather than the challenges. I think main contractors should specify Metsec when looking for a structural solution because of their BIM capability. Mainly because you get a very early adoption and you get a good quality BIM model months before you're actually going to build on site. And for Skanska, that was really great in terms of finding out any issues that we may have had on site or spotting any potential problems that we may have missed in 2D. So this is how we use the Metsec 3D model on site. So I've been able to zoom into this particular area where we are on site, and I can already see where the Metsec is going to go. I can click on a structural wall and hide it and see the steel frame behind it, which I can zoom into. And then with this particular example, we can see the red Metsec here. I can hide the wall. I can see this red structural member, which I can click on. And I can get the properties of that particular element.
Metsec now offer a fully BIM compliant design service to the industry, with over 15 Revit stations now being utilised by our design team and more planned for next year. Metsec BIM files contain all the required SFS elements such as stud, track, deflection head and compound members, as well as all the fixing accessories, cleats, Z-bars and posts etc. that are required on the project. From this data-rich BIM file, we make 2D drawings and the ability to produce material schedules, which will all be sent out to the design team. We can send out the model file in a number of formats, including IFC, Revit, Navisworks, for coordination with other model files.